With the summer heat, many drivers consider window tinting for comfort and UV protection. For others, it may be for medical reasons or simply style. But before you tint, know the rules so you don't get stopped by police for a window tint violation. WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News reporter Emily Goodwin has more on Tennessee's window tinting laws and some tips for first-timers.
Window tinting offers UV protection, privacy, and cooler interiors, but in Tennessee, tinting laws are enforced to ensure safety. For a sedan, front side windows must allow at least 35% visible light transmittance, or VLT, while windshields need 70% VLT. The rear window and back side windows can also be 35% VLT. According to a local certified shop for trucks, vans, or SUVs, there is no requirements on the cargo area or hatch, but there is a restriction on the two front door windows. Caitlin, a tinting consultant at Precision Tint in Jackson, recommends first-timers to choose ceramic tint for heat rejection without darkening too much.
It's a clear ceramic. It's an 80% film. So this is, a lot of people do this on the whole entire front windshield. It's legal to do, so the lower the number is, the darker the tint is. So this is an 80, but it keeps out 86% heat, so it protects your dash from cracking over time and obviously keeping the heat out of the vehicle.
Darker tint is permitted in Tennessee, but only under specific conditions. Those with a medical condition that requires protection from sunlight or a bright light can apply for an exemption to use darker tints. It is best to carry the proper documentation from your doctor or the Department of Safety in your vehicle to offer proof to an officer if you are pulled over for a tint violation. According to JPD, having darker tint makes it harder for officers to see any movements inside the vehicle. Violations can lead to citations and even fines.
My advice is to stay within the legal limit. That way you keep yourself out of trouble.
For new customers, measure your current tint, research local installers, and confirm compliance to avoid having to do any rework on your vehicle. And remember, when in doubt, consult with a professional. In Jackson, Emily Goodwin, WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News.
Many drivers mistakenly believe that law enforcement cannot pull them over solely based on the darkness of the window tint. That's not the case. An officer may pull over any vehicle they suspect violating Tennessee's tint regulations and conduct a field comparison test. Failure to submit to that field comparison test is a Class C misdemeanor.